Would you see if is the drive line turning?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's doing the same thing the fan's doing, rocking back and forth.
Well, I mean, I turned this easy. I don't know if I don't think. See? And I don't think that's I don't think it's in here at all. Maybe it feels just like it's trying to break free. Oh, look at that. Just look how long it's been sitting here. Look at this. I mean, the fan's just falling apart. I was going to try to spin it by hand. I think the engine is probably pretty good. That's not good. Moisture would get in there, maybe not a lot of rain, but I'm thinking that's probably what it is. A guy that I'm out here looking at it for is trying to buy it, and he wanted to see if it would run. He's got a way to load it. It's no problem if they come up to an agreement. The guy didn't figure it'd be any trouble to start, but he didn't know that this part right here had rusted out. But he did say he had some kind of issues with it not wanting to go in gear, and I believe either something has broke out of the clutch or something, and that might not be a big fix. It seems like this is the normal now, don't it? But hey,